Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change profile name in Instagram. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. In order to successfully do this, what we can do is we can head over right here to our Instagram. And then in here, click on our profile icon right here on the bottom, which is the last icon. And you can see in here that my profile icon or profile name is actually Tiara Princess 99. If I want to change it, I need to click on this edit profile right here. And I can see in here my username as well as my profile name. So you can choose which ones you want to change. So for example, let's try to change in here my name. So in here, you can change in here your name, but make sure that you also change your name on your Facebook. So let's try to change our username instead. And let's change it into 00. After that, once you have done that, click on this check right here in order to save your progress, and that's how you change profile name in Instagram. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks!